What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill a text with a photo in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to bring the photo that we want to fill the text with on our blank, like so. Then what we want to do is to go to apps and search for font frame. Then we're gonna click on it. Here what you want to do is to add the text that you want to make. For this tutorial, I'm going to write tropical. You can change the font. I'm going to change it to Montserrat, and I want to remove the border of it. Then what we want to do is to choose an image. We have the option to upload a file, or we can select the photo that we have on our blank. So we're gonna select it, then we're gonna click on use selected image. Then what we want to do is to click on add to design. If we remove the initial photo, you can see that we have a text filled with the initial photo. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.